Assalamu alaikum, I am Abdi Islam. So we can audit Facebook ad account for several way. So how can we audit? So here we go for a campaign. It's a embroidery campaign and performance is 44,000. 44,016. So you can say that this campaign is launched from 27 March and it's still now going on. So age, demographic age, it's crazy from 18 to 44, and men 48% and women 87%. So you can see that. Next one, we can break down the performance placement. So we can see that the placement is Facebook profile feed 50 and 46. So here is not a good result, but Facebook Reels is giving a good reach, uh, 70,000 free and 29,544. So another is Facebook Reels apps. So there is no good result. And Facebook Stories, yes, it's a good enough. And we can say that Facebook feed. So 30,675, 30,018. So it's a crazy. So it is a way of auditing a Facebook campaign where most of the people clicking the ad and the reach out of this campaign. It's a placement breakdown, and we can say that if breakdown placement, then demographic, we can demographic and geography and others criteria we can break down it. And performance click, performance engagement, performance metrics. So we can say that delivery. Here you can see that performance metrics, and we can make it customs also. So performance. So here you can say that create a new report and give creative performance. So if you see that the performance report of that campaign, so here is campaign name, ad set name, and placement, platform. You can see everything. We can resolve, then ad set name and desktop, mobile. Here is the way of auditing a campaign. So here is the result is rich and other things, and impression, cost per result, quality ranking, creative engagement, amount spent. So this is the way of auditing a campaign. So first of all, we have to think that if we create a budget and A/B test and campaign level budget, a lot of things are coming up for making a good campaign, a winning campaign. Okay, thank you so much.